Hmm. Ang galing nyo kanina sa Antipolo. Oh, thank you so much, thank you so much.
Alam nyo, last minute yung song ni Rain kanina.
No, kasi I was gonna sing If I Ain't Got You. Tapos sabi, Jaren's singing it now, so I have to change mine kasi nauna siya. God, why do you have to choose the same song, huh? So I was like, bro, I don't know what to sing.
Ganda.
Karate just din talaga.
Ah?
Last minute yun yung karate eh. Yung pagbigyan nyo na guys, if there was mistakes. Kasi last minute yun. Talaga.
Ay, nag-record ako the day before. Eh, hindi pa ako makarecord kasi sobrang pause yung boses ko. One song, it took me almost 2 hours.
Record?
Kasi lagyan ko lang to stop and then pahinga, boses. Hangin lang yung lumabas eh.
Sample daw sa hangin. Oh. Oh, someone said grenade ba? I was gonna do grenade.
I told her to sing Grenade kanina.
You kasi I remembered you guys said na choose a song na you guys can jam with. Like, I was thinking, if I'm gonna sing grenade, you can't sing along kasi it's not a sing-along song kasi.
I think they can. Uy, mga singers din fans mo.
I know, right? But like, I wanted like where you can like just So next time ng grenade, guys. Gosh, chillax muna tayo. Galing ako sa paos eh.
Everyone's boss, everyone's sing.
Everyone's sick. Sabi
Or Tagalog song.
what is that? I just want to wear this over.
What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow, you're gonna resume.
Laag. Oh, oo nga pala. So cute. Kasi Colenatics gave me Ate Gladys. So, Ate
Colenatics.
Colette. I think Ate Colette. Yo. Kanina, kinain ko na yung chocolate. Yung chocolate. Oh.
Thank you to all, Kaimates. Lagi ako may nakukuhang food sa Kaimates. Kasi every time magpadala sila, andun ako with Kai. Like,
Really?
Starbucks sila na drink.
Kanina?
No. Last time I was with Kai. And then the other time that I was with Kai, may cocoa din sa milk tea. Sabi ko,
Alright.
lagi akong nakiki-share sa...
Oh, also, thank you, Arjas, for the donuts yesterday. Thank you, Arjas.
Sobrang nag-enjoy si Ranger kasi Colette sa donut.
Yummy. Kailangan ko na mag-diet. Ang dami kong nakain donut. Pati kanina. Saan galing kanina? Kyren. Thank you, Kyren.
Iron sa donuts din. Kinain din namin kanina.
Napanood yung PBB yung... Oh, 11-11! 11-11 daw.
11.
Wait.
Eleven, guys. Wish. 11. On. Miss Taiwan. Oh.
May mga show ba daw sa Cebu? I know, right? When ba?
Diba? Meron wala ba? I don't know.
Sinolog.
Don't know eh.
January 19 is
Oo
Sinolog.
nga, nakalimutan ko nga lyrics kanina. What's the PBB episode about tonight? I want to watch Bito. Did you watch any Big Forever? You haven't got the chance to talk.
Hindi ako,
Which I watched. Huh?
hindi ako nakatutok, pero may mga nakikita lang ako na
I watched the first episode lang with Guy. The first episode. Kasi na-excite kami. Tapos after that, wala nang chance mag-watch the other episodes.
we'll watch next week's episode.
Oh,
I think-
this is a Kyrain episode daw.
Tonight, Kyrin.
Aww. My best friend. She a real bad.
Yeah, the besties inside. Never FO. That's always a reminder that we say to both of them.
Mura na daw tagdili gikan ng Antipolo.
Ay wala, dili bigi kagad. Dili to kami.
Hindi yun kami.
Diyan kami.
Mukha lang namin yun.
Oo. Guys, anong...
Please cry, Irene. It's a cryable scene.
Did you cry?
So, cry mo daw sila. Or just, sorry. Nakakaiyak daw. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna watch after this.
May ma-recommend ba kayong game na pwede i-download?
True. Good question yan.
Comment.
You know what's sikat now daw?
What?
Block. What
Is that?
I don't know. Marag Tetris looking man.
Which one? Ang dami.
I don't know. I want like a multiplayer. Let's play. Kanang multiplayer ba? Kanang we can play together.
Tomorrow.
Sige.
Ano po ba? Comment down below, guys. Kung ano yung game.
Tumawag. Sino tumawag sa akin sa stage kagabi? You want me to answer? Para hindi tapos na yung kadidaluluhan. It's my dad! That was my dad, guys. Oh. Mag-selective hearing ni sila, hindi nila ito narinig. Dad ko yun. Hinahanap ako ng tatay ko. Ano ba, guys?
Kasi
Gosh.
may signal sa likod, sa backstage.
Yeah, they were like, nasa crowd sila. Oh nga, ba't ako tinawag ni Papa no? Time na yun. Anyway, he was calling me, so it was my dad, guys.
It was Tito. Pero, after pumunta pa kami ng birthday ni...
Kay AC. Oh, perfect. It asked how was kay AC. How was AC's birthday? So fun! Ang sarap. Ang enjoyable.
We were just dancing.
Yeah, I love it. More to come, please.
Masaya.
Are you playing?
No, I'm downloading. I downloaded
Oh, yeah, you use the same iCloud, no?
I used to say, but nag-sync siya lahat.
Huh?
Nag-sync pa rin lahat except for the apps. All photos.
My friend Hershey said, kanang, you can just use the same iCloud, pero just don't sync. There's an option though to not sync.
I-unsync ko later.
Pero na-sync na.
Pinasync na. CODM. Call of Duty.
Do you play that?
Is that the gun?
Yeah.
I don't play that. I play the real one. I like
Oh, I wanna play the real one.
I don't play through the screen.
Oh nga, you said real, with JP.
Yeah, actually, well,
True yan.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow. Sorry, 21. I don't know. I'll ask JP. We'll ask JP.
I wanna sweat na.
Same. You wanna gym?
Yo.
I feel fat. Wait, mag-prepare.
Paano kayo naging friend ni AC?
Kasi may inask ako.
Yeah.
Friends kami ni AC because kasama kami sa ASAP. I want ASAP first and then yun, kasama na kami sa Super Dance. No, na practice. She's very nice.
Very
Mabilis
approachable
na-
kasi. Oo.
She makes certain na everyone feels welcome. Everyone feels like this is not just work.
Yeah.
You
She's
can
fun.
really, yeah. Then yun
Like,
na.
very approachable. Hindi ka matatakot mag-talk to her. So fun. Vibe. She's a vibe.
She's a vibe. Such a vibe.
Ate Jess, let's dance na with Diana. Ay, dancer ka pala. Okay.
Then yan. Wait,
that-
Rain last night danced with Niana.
Oh,
With
yeah.
G-Force.
Oh, yeah.
And danced with,
Mga pala, we
Casey.
danced na pala yesterday. Gosh. Nakakasabay po ako sa mga dance. Ano ba? Walang to.
ano na, ilalayag na natin dance career ni, Ray. Oh, sorry, I'm so tita. Scrabble.
Ate Jazz.
I always have Scrabble sa ko. Sa phone ko.
Ito talaga. Solo dance.
Sabi,
Tomorrow.
hi, Ate Jassy and Rainy.
Running close. Ha?
Oh, and I have a box of bonbons pala.
What's bongbong?
Yung from Bacolod. Like mga piyaya, mga
Wow.
yeah. Ooh, so cute teddy bears, and I have teddy bears here.
I remember ko sa Piyaya. Ay. Yes, I played my Nintendo. Thank you, guys. Nawawala yung... Guys, sige kayo nga sa gift ni Kai sa akin. Friendship nga! Oh.
Hi, Sandrina. Friendship is so,
Yeah, but
you can't, hindi siya, it's priceless.
Oh,
Loyalty.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's priceless. Ay,
Ate Jess, hindi ko na try boxing.
yeah. I did boxing before in Dumaguete.
Diba?
I
Let's
did
go! I miss
I
that
did
team.
box- Yeah. JP.
Oo nga eh.
I did boxing before, but then nag-stop ako kasi nga nagka-back problems ako.
Oh, really? Pero you can do it now?
I think so.
You sure?
I just wasn't careful. Oh, this is a gift. Our photo frame is
But it doesn't do with your ano?
yeah.
Prank call daw. Prank call 1 person round daw.
Sige, sino yung paprank call mo?
Ikaw mag-prank call.
Ano ba yung paprank call ko?
Wait, I wanna do it. Pero wala pa ako nag-sign in.
Go, mag-prank call ka. Prank call natin si Binsoy. How do you do prank calls?
Magbigay kayong topic kay sino. Si Kai daw. Unay si Kai.
Ako, kung wala si Tukay.
Hindi nag-work yung prankster brain ko.
Ay, namin, guys. Anong...
Sabi.
What will we... Anong ipa-prank call natin kay Kai?
Guys, magbigay kayo ng idea.
Kai. I don't think Kai will answer though.
Trouble.
It's 11:32 na. Pero sige, we'll try to prank call Kai. But what will we say? Keisha.
Can I go there right now? Kasi...
Kasi muna. Ano ba?
I'm scared of her mouth though.
Yeah, ako din. Parang hindi pwede ma-prank call si Kai. Si Binsoy, parang takot ako mag-prank call.
O nga, huwag na guys. Delikado.
Baka may...
Papakamot siya sa ulo niya. Mukhang delikado na naman ako.
That's so cute. I have a much cuter photo.
Yeah. You know, oh my gosh, I'm gonna share this. Since we got no topic. I gotta share this. Ito lang. I keep, ano, I use the Ferrero pa dyan. I keep your, tags.
Same.
Ang mouth!
I-prank call daw tapos sasabihin ko, bakit ka tumatawag?
Okay, go.
At nga ni Mama. And he said, oh, so cute. Okay, I will prank call Kai. Kai. I hope she answers. Then we'll do Jaren after.
Okay, go.
Okay. Mga call Kai. We'll see if she'll answer.
See. Hey. It's you.
Thank you. They were reading.
That's on now. The letters.
No, it's not ringing though.
Ay.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh.
And look at the letters here, right? It's like so effort.
Wait, it's a sunog. Okay, Kai won't answer. We'll call Binsoy.
Kuya Vincent.
Ano kang nanawag?
Ha?
Ano kang nanawag?
Wala man.
Soy, busy ko, Soy. Ayaw ba?
Eh, paano ba pati ba?
Katawa po.
Wala mo. Tangko. Nagratan. Ang inatin lagi.
Galive mo ni ano.
Di mo kaya mo yan sama natin dyan.
Hindi na ako kaya, guys. Ni Raiden, ga-prank call daw. Ay, ga-prank call me.
Ah, sige. Mag-live siguro ko.
Sige, sulod ra na mo.
Sige.
Bye-bye.
Di kaya eh.
Hindi ko kaya, tumatawa ako. Okay. Sige, I'll try to call Jaren, but usually Viber kasi si Jaren eh.
Wow.
See.
Bro.
Patawag to sa Viber. Okay. Si Kai. I think Kai is asleep.
Hell no.
Bakit kanina ba ito galing? Bakit? Si Dai. Yeah, I don't think Kai is connected also to the Wi-Fi or... Nilol lang ako dyan. Lol. Si JP. Ay, wag. Si Dylan. Sige, tawagan natin. Grabe yung most sent Argel. Uy, nawala si Rain. Si Rain ba ang nawala? Wait muna guys. Mario. Sige, si D.
Okay, sorry.
Alright, you're here, Dylan. Feeling ko
I needed the...
prank call eh.
Ha?
Ang pangit ko mag-prank.
Pero nag-laugh man ka. Kung pag gani ka 5 seconds, nag-laugh na ka nga naman ka. Sino?
D. It's not ringing also. Masan kaya po?
Damn, apaka-busy ng people. Damn, mo sent... Theories. You
Yes.
tried Jaren, ah?
Yeah, I did. And then Jaren was about to call sa Viber, but then gagamit ko phone ko. Wala akong Viber here. Sinabi ko na lang kay Jaren, never mind, siya sa phone call. Akala niya,
Ah.
hindi sumasagot si Dylan.
Hello?
Yes? Hello?
Why?
Yeah? Hello? Yes?
Hello? Why?
Bakit ka tumatawag?
Hindi ako tumatawag. Hindi ako
Ha?
tumatawag.
Ikaw yung tumawag.
Ano? Nagulat nga ako. Sabi ko, ba't tumatawag? Kasama ko si Mark.
Ay, baka na ano mo, anong tawag dito? Na-press mo. Ikaw nga tumatawag kanina pa.
Ah!
Kanina.
Hindi ko nakaka-cellphone ko eh.
Okay, it's a prank, D.
Ano meron?
Lalaglag kami ni Rain. Tapos sabi ng mga tao, prank call ka daw namin. Kita niyo yung reaction ni D. Tawang-tawa ko sa hala.
Grabe yung live ha. Nanonood ni Mark yung live niya.
Hi, Mark. Ready? Bye.
Guys. Okay.
Sorry.
Bye.
Tingnan din siya. I'll try Kai
Hi,
again.
Mikey. Love you. Bye-bye. Huh?
I'll try Kai.
Yeah, I tried Kai. You try Kai. Ang cute ni Mark.
Bakit?
Mark is so sweet. Very ma-ate just
Why are you calling me?
Huh?
Why are you calling me?
I didn't call you.
Bro, it literally... Nag-ring siya.
Sabi ko kasi.
You rang. I just answered the phone.
Ikaw, nag-live ang gani ko.
No, I just answered the phone.
Bro,
Hey, I just answered the phone.
bye. Shut up. You're so clingy. Why'd you call me?
Bro, I heard it ringing. I pick it up.
Bahala ka, we. Why'd you call me?
No, you're so weird.
Why'd you call me?
I didn't call you.
You called me
I
again.
just picked up.
Bro, stop.
Swear to God. Swear
Hello
to God.
ko. Stop lying.
Swear to God.
I called na. You called na.
If you didn't call me, then bye.
Hoy! Siya, it's alive. Pinaprank ka lang eh. Galit na siya.
Hi, live. Gusto makita eh. Balik.
Ate Jan,
Pag si...
sabi ng live kasi mag-prank call daw.
Go
God, pikon ka daw.
The prank was so boring. The
Pikon
prank
ka
was
daw.
so dull. Bye.
Bye, Kai.
Init ng ulo. Kinami ko.
Where are you calling next? Call Terry.
Okay. Chatty with you.
Ito pangit. You call
Uy,
Jack.
teko lang.
Ay, okay. Nakatulog na yun. Pagod yun eh.
Ayaw nga eh.
Tulog na ba? Pwede ko matawagan si Argel kasi parang nasa labas pa siya.
Wait, I'm downloading Instagram, guys. Wait lang.
Ano ni Argel yung friends yan? Sa tawag ako.
Argel, though. Argel!
Yung nga, feeling ko kasi kasama niya friends.
So what? Go!
Kasama ata friends. Tapos yun. 11:34 na.
Ano alam? Ay, joke. I'm not. I'm kidding, guys.
Si Jolie da muna.
Teka lang, ha? Teka lang. Ate Jolie, you doing, Ate Jolie?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so nice.
It's either tulog na to si Jolie or she's out.
She's out, man.
Ay, si Kuya Ding.
Go.
Si Jolie. Feeling ko malis.
My ears are itchy.
Sa Insta kasi ako tumatawag eh. Sometimes iba hindi siya nag-notify.
Oo nga.
Ding.
For the request there, I'm doing the Instagram login. Ay,
Ano, kailangan to sa Viber. Ano muna ka ng Viber.
bro. Wait a minute.
Kasi sandali guys, iniisip ko pa. Kasi feeling ko kasi wala, hindi pa nakauwi. Mga friend, tapos nagwagan niya.
Do your friend.
Eh, parang alam nila nanonood ko.
What a fan. Wait guys, my Instagram won't lag in.
Paling pat. Sabi mo. Then, talaga guys.
I read something. Ay, it won't. I'll just close it.
No, Instagram kasi sometimes hindi
Yeah,
nag-notify.
they don't notify. Where did you call kay kanina?
IG. Hindi siya sumasagot ng IG.
Dito sa IG. Messenger.
Wala akong messenger here.
I'll just prank call Ate Jess.
Bakit yung number ko?
Oh, everything?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Bro. Oh yeah. Yeah, I saw Reina Chu. What? Reina Chu. That was so cute.
What's rain at you?
Like Rain and Pikachu, the ano. Oh, my, how much I care. Bro, I'm gonna start.
Ng mga messages na.
Ugh.
Wala na. Sino ba ba ipa-prank call na?
Come on, come on. I'm almost there. Fucking girl like that.
Hello, Lane.
Wait lang ha, wait guys.
Here. I'll try. You. Okay. Ay, nawala si Rain. I'm calling quitting. Okay, this will be serious.
Wala na.
Sige, tawagan.
Teka lang, I need a... What? Who's gonna go?
Alam na ni Jaren guys na nagpa-prank kami.
Haha. Open Instagram. Wait, I'm gonna open Instagram.
Ano ulit?
Sabi daw, login request. If you're already logged in on another device, you can open Instagram to approve this request. Ha! I did. Bruh. Never mind, I'll just do...
Sige, who will you call?
You know Clover Friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do Nile.
Go, go.
Ang dami nag-request.
Hindi ako marunong mag-anon. Yeah, guys.
Yes, Nile.
Gosh, Ate Jack. Ayaw kay GP. I want for my birthday.
What I want for your birthday.
Me?
I guess Nile's busy, guys.
Oh,
Ako, ayun.
Yeah, that's the issue.
Guys,
What I want to happen.
takot ako mag-prank call kay Argel.
Bakit? Do it after. I'll do Hershey and then you do si Argel. Bro, it's not ringing. Why not ringing? Oh, okay, I'll just do ano. Wala si Hershey, guys. She's not ringing. Wala siyang wifi today. I'll do... Oh, Mark is here pala.
But Mark already knows.
He knows? Bro. How about JP?
Feeling ko nanood si nanood si Argel, feeling ko.
Bakit? Wow, what a fan.
Feeling ko nanood, hindi pwede i-prank kasi alam niya.
Alrighty. Updated siya.
Feeling ko lang, tawagan natin. Oh, ito na. Oh, kasi nanood niya. Gano'n ka, galantaw. Sakpan.
Unsa?
Nag-watch sa live! Hi, Kuya Argel!
Wala na. Boring ang prank. Si Rain.
Hi, Kuya Argel. Argel's like... Ay.
Wala, kabalo na ka nga prank.
Ha?
Kabalo ka na prank.
Sa?
Nag-live me din, mag-prank call me din. Ikaw ang requested sa mga tao.
Hello, Bing. Good evening. Arigato gozaimasu. Konnichiwa. Sawadika.
Nag-research.
Ayan. Tsaka...
Yun na guys.
Sawadika. Jasmine.
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 Uy, naka-speaker ka.
Ay.
On cam daw, hi daw sa mga tao.
Wala. Wait.
Kita ba? See, guys, he's out.
Hello, guys.
Hi, Kuya Argel.
No rain.
Ay, ako ko lang gigita. Marap siya.
Okay.
Bye, boss. Sorry.
Bye, boss.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, guys. Hello, Tita.
Ay! Hi! Bye-bye, Amping. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
What the hell? I'm mad.
Nanood yun. Kasi nung in-answer yung call, narinig ko boses ko.
Okay. Sus. Tanggal angas, Argel. Bro,
Ay.
did you selfies? Kira. Over here. Uh-huh. Okay. Ay, naku.
Si JP kasi, kung tatawagan ko yun, tatawagan niya may sasabihin. Pero parang,
Request pa dito. Bro, how am I supposed to log in my Instagram?
tatawagan natin si JP.
Wait lang.
Jazz.
Bakit ka tumatawag?
Ay. Tatanong ko lang ate Jazz kung may...
Ay!
Ay.
Ay. JP, nagpa-prank call kami ni Rain sa live. Pero sige po.
Ate Jazz. Ay, naka-live kayo?
Oo, tapos pina-prank call ka.
Hindi ko Ate Jazz, naka-live kayo.
Opo.
Ngayon?
Opo.
Naka-on.
Opo. Ano ba? Sige, mamaya.
Sige po.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Ay,
Tapos may live at
oo. Opo.
Okay.
Sige, bye-bye. Ingat. Bye-bye.
What is he gonna say? But guys, my iPad's not letting me do the prank call. It's not letting me log in my Instagram, bro.
Colette sa X, tawagan natin. Si Colette, tawagi.
Lagi, my Instagram's not logging in, lagi. We sent a notification to the logged in devices on this account. Where will I see that notification?
Sa phone mo.
It's not.
Wala?
Ulo. My ulo is in. If I do it on my phone, then you guys are gonna not hear it because I'm living there. Bro.
You don't have, ano? Julie.
Wala.
Hello, bakit ka tumatawag?
Ala, ikaw tumatawag kaya sa akin.
Hindi
Ikaw kaya, gusto mo mag-screenshot ko.
I-screenshot mo ang...
Ikaw tumatawag ko
Hindi ikaw yung kanina ka pa tumatawag.
Baliw, hindi ako ba't kita i-call? Girlfriend ba kita?
Jolie!
Ay, wag ko niya.
I love it.
Naka-live po kami, nag-prank call.
Ay, we!
Ba't kita i-call? Girlfriend ba kita? Ate Jolie.
Hello, Reyna!
I miss you.
Gusto ko yung sinabi niya na,
Baliw, buti nga hindi ko sinabi na si...
siya.
I love you, Ate Jolie.
Love you, Jolie.
Hello, Reyna! Good night, Good night, gorgeous!
Good night. Good night,
Ano,
God
sino?
bless and to reindeers.
Bye! Good night, reindeers! Wait, may ganap kayo?
Meron kaming ano,
If you know what I mean. Yeah, okay. Ako din. Okay, bye-bye!
see you.
Really? Yay! Yay!
Awan. Sige. See you.
See you! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Reyna.
Love you. Good night.
Ate Jolie, good night. Ate Jolie so funny, bro.
Yun yung best reaction ko na nakuha. Bakit kita natawagan? Girlfriend ba kita? O yan yung na-wear ko na ka. Sino nga si Colette? Pag dito si Colette magagalit, patay tayo. Colette. Uy, tapos na po si Argel po.
Stop. Wait a minute.
Not me, Helena. Helena, my best friend.
This one. Yellow.
Hello?
Hello?
Ano ka nitawag? Yes?
Hello? Natulog ko.
Ay, good night, good night.
Good night.
Love you. See you tomorrow.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys, tutulog na si Kulot, guys.
Stop na ba? Bad na ni.
Okay, wag na kasi it's 11:53 na.
Oo.
Kami natin energy.
Next time. Hala ka mo ha. Seriously. Sige, ako ano na. I wanna leave already. I'm gonna go.
Yeah, me too.
It's late now. We still have ano. Yeah.
Yeah. See you
We'll
tomorrow.
do the next time, guys.
Bye,
Bye.
everybody. Good night. Thank you for your love. Oh, that's cute. Bye-bye.
Bye, Ate Jazz. Good night. Love you, Momo.
Bye, Rain. Love you. See you tomorrow.
Guys, bye, reindeers. Bye, gorgeous.
Bye. Good night. Hello, bakit ka tumatawag?
Ala, ikaw tumatawag kaya sa akin.
Hindi ah.
Ikaw kaya, gusto mo mag-screenshot ko.
I-screenshot mo ang...
Ikaw tumatawag ko
Hindi ikaw yung kanina ka pa tumatawag.
Baliw, hindi ako ba't kita i-call? Girlfriend ba kita?